morning and welcome to Wales and another episode of 24 in 24. Today I am doing the Four Falls walk, and first up on the list, I don't think I should make any effort to pronounce it, but that's where I'm headed and this is where I'm parked. I'll put the what 3 words address for the parking in the video, should pop up round about now. So while I'm making my way down to the first waterfall, I thought I'd just give a brief recap on my 24 in 24 video series. It's just a personal challenge to have 24 adventures of one form or another throughout 2024. Simple as that. They could be anything from doing this, a walk checking out some waterfalls, or adventures abroad. I've got some videos already on my channel of Athens. I've got Budapest coming up. Did some waterfall hunting in Turkey, which was awesome. I've got some Via Ferratas planned for later on in the year. So I've got a rough idea of what I want to do, but who knows? Who knows if I'll complete it, but it's just something to keep me motivated as the year goes on, give me something to do. So yeah, if you want to see what I get up to, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. And put suggestions as well. If you've got an idea of something that I could do, which you think I might enjoy, pop them in the comments and I'll see if I can complete them. So I was really confused then, because I've reached the first waterfall and at the car park it said it would take 40 minutes and it's actually taken 10. But I think the reason for that is the actual access point is on the other side of the river, so you've actually got to go upstream and then come down the other side. But I'm just going to check it out from this side first of all. It looks like it might be worth a scramble down to the bottom. Well, that was a little bit precarious coming down there, but well worth it. Yeah, that is quite spectacular. Well, that was awesome for the first waterfall. I don't know how the other 3 compare, but that was amazing. So actually, it's only about another 5 minutes walk upstream to cross over and go back down the other side. So I don't know who did their timings, but 40 minutes, it's taken me about 15, I would say. So I've made it over to the other side. This is the view from up here. Okay, so this is where I want to head to next. If I've got this right, this is the one that you can walk underneath. So I'm here quite early this morning, so I wanted to get that one done quite early in the walk, just in case it gets busier a bit later on. Oh, these look like they're going to be fun on the way up. Looks like quite a steep decline. Let's hope it's worth it. I'm sure it will be. Wow, it's actually raging today, which is what I was hoping for, because obviously we've had quite a lot of rain lately. So I thought I'd come here on the first dry day after the rain, and hopefully we get a raging waterfall, which is what we've got. love that. And again, this is the reason to come early in the morning and slightly out of season. I'm the only one here. So, wow, out of breath. One thing to bear in mind, there's a lot of steps. Fine going down, obviously killer coming up. For some reason, I decided to count them on the way up. I counted 172, the sign says 170, but then I did include a couple of natural rock steps as well, so. But that was amazing. You know, sometimes when you set your alarm for stupid o'clock in the morning, you ask yourself, is it worth it? And I've driven 3 hours to get here. It's probably going to take me a couple of hours to do the full walk. When you see things like that, it is definitely worth it. Just got to force yourself out of bed. But yeah, that was incredible. Okay, so it looks like when we get to this fork in the path, we're headed to that waterfall. Still not going to attempt to pronounce it. It's saying it's a 15-minute walk. Just setting up the camera and this guy's just come and said hello. Hello. Oh, I was hoping he'd land on my hand. Wow, awesome. I wish I had some food to give him. So this is waterfall number 3. The main falls is just down there, but just going to have a look at this part. I'm just going to see if I can scramble down to the bottom, which it looks like I can. It looks quite well trodden, doesn't it? Okay, we're just going to head on up to waterfall number 4 now, which I believe is just a case of following the river for a few minutes. That'll be quite cool in the summer. Rope swing into the water. Oh wow, this looks quite impressive. Oh. well, I think that is it for this video. That was amazing. I'm so glad I came. All 4 waterfalls were impressive, all for different reasons. I mean, the first one was literally like 10 seconds walk off of the main path, so really accessible but really powerful. The second one was just incredible. To be able to go behind it when it was so powerful was amazing. The third one, not very tall but wide, and yeah, just an impressive sight. And seeing the gorge as well was really cool, with the waterfall running along the side of it. And the fourth one, just to have the 4 different levels, it was just, yeah, really spectacular. So yeah, I would definitely recommend doing this walk if you get a chance.